I was just sent these two necklaces from Adoyi to review. These are initial necklaces I'm gonna give my daughters for Christmas, so let's take a look. First of all, the packaging is so cute. Love that iridescent. Got a little resealable pouch here, a cleaning cloth, and two necklaces in one. I think I got one gold and one silver. Let's open this one. Cleaning cloth. Yes. All right. So these are their bubble letter necklace sets. I got one in gold and one in silver so we could compare them. But each set comes with two necklaces that you wear together, but you can wear them separate. This is the plated 14 karat gold. It's so dainty and cute. We've got a lobster clasp, which is easy to use. Just gorgeous. This is the letter M. You can choose the letter, obviously, for yourself or whoever you're gifting it to. This also has a little heart on it that is attached. The M is mobile, if that makes sense. So they're gonna kind of sit down there together, but the letter can scoot around. That's fun. And then the second part of the set is in here. I like how they have it separate so they don't get tangled. This is cool. It's a gold chain, very dainty, but you've got the gold balls on there. Everything is fixed in place. You do have the lobster clasp again. You can wear them separate and you can wear them together. The heart and lettered necklace is slightly longer, so they lay really nicely together. The necklace with the heart is 16.5 inches plus 2 inches. They're calling this one a layered paperclip chain, and this one is 14.5 plus 2 inches. So I love that length. Then let's look at the silver. Product page says this is made of high quality copper, which is hypoallergenic, lead free, and nickel free. Then here is that second one in the set. So cute and dainty. When you wear it together, it's just gonna be so cute. And the length is the same as the other one. So this is just really the only difference is the silver look rather than the gold look. Both are gorgeous. You can see the letters M versus E. They're kind of slightly rounded, but not super bubbly. Just a really nice look. And you can get whatever letters you want. I love the whole plus 2 inch. I'm just gonna go with the shortest option. Ooh, so that's like the 14.5 inch on the shortest option. Really nice, just daintily around the neck. Again, going on the shortest chain. I love a lobster claw. They're just so easy. So cute. Look at that. Okay, actually, I think I want to make this one longer. Mid extension. So you have options as far as how you want them to lay together. This one is a little shorter, but not as short as it was on the shortest of the options, if that makes sense. Oh, they're so cute. I love the silver, but I'm gonna try on the gold too. And then these are for my 10-year-old daughters, so they can wear them starting now and then they can grow into them kind of. But I think this is a good size because of the adjustable back. It's good size for like a tween, a teen, and an adult. Gorgeous. And great gift idea for birthday, Christmas, graduations, anything like that. Oh my gosh, anniversaries because of the heart. So cute, so pretty. I absolutely love these necklaces from Adoyi. They make tons of different jewelry as well, so check them out.